So in today's video, we are gonna go ahead and make a little, breakfast chorizo taco, shake it up a little bit because I cannot keep eating the same things for breakfast every day. For this chorizo, I use a plant-based chorizo from Amazon Fresh. I tried a really good chorizo from Whole Foods and it was delicious, but it kind of wasn't good for my stomach. So I was like, okay, let me just try this plant-based chorizo. And it actually was pretty good. Definitely not the same taste, but I definitely give it its credit for like being easy on the stomach and still tasting great. So you know me, if this isn't your first cooking video, I always gotta add butter, the Land O'Lakes, olive oil, and sea salt butter. This is probably the only time that you'll really see me use such basic seasonings because I love seasoning, but I just thought like it's breakfast, let's not go too crazy. So I just use some sea salt and I use some black pepper. This chorizo doesn't really take that long to cook, so what I decided to do was just kind of prep my smoothie. It only takes maybe 8 to 10 minutes depending on your temperature level of your pan. So I went ahead and got started on my smoothie that I was going to put aside so I can really focus on the chorizo. But my ingredients for the smoothie is some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, Chobani Greek yogurt, the vanilla. I have some unsweetened acai puree from Trader Joe's, got some almond butter, banana, frozen strawberries, and this is like my go-to smoothie when I'm in the mood for a smoothie. I do add a little bit of water to it as well, but you can definitely skip the water if you'd like, if you want your smoothie to be a little thicker, but I just add a little bit of water just because hydration, like why not? So back to my chorizo. This is kind of how it looks when it's done. At least this is my liking. So definitely cater to yourself and your taste buds. I use the same pan to warm up my corn tortillas because listen, the flavor, the juices, I want it to absorb into the corn tortilla, right? You can definitely double up on your corn tortillas if you like. I did it for 2 of them. The other one I was like, it's fine. I don't need to worry about that one. So I just doubled up on 2 of them. I scrambled my eggs. Definitely scramble the eggs as you like it. I put some avocado, delicious, And then this is a sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. It's delicious. I randomly picked it up and I was like, let's try it. But it has all the ingredients to give that extra taste, that nice chorizo breakfast taste. So definitely if you have a Trader Joe's near you, try it out or just find it at a store if if they have it there for you. I had to add a little extra flavor, I squeezed a little bit of lime juice on top of it, and oh my gosh, y'all, this breakfast, I was like, yo, I've been just eating like bacon and eggs all the time, which nothing against some bacon and some eggs, but yo, I need to step up my breakfast a little bit more, okay? So yeah, that is what I had for breakfast one day. Definitely let me know if you tried this. Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can try these breakfast chorizo tacos.